If you've ever opened a long web page and struggled to find exactly what you need, this quick tutorial is going to save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you how to find specific text on a web page in Google Chrome using a built-in shortcut that works on almost any site. It's fast, simple, and perfect for searching for a word, phrase, name, or number without manually scanning the whole page. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy computer tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and go to any web page you want to search through. This can be a news article, a document page, a blog post, or even a long support page. Once the page is open, press Ctrl and F on your keyboard. That's Ctrl plus F. As soon as you do that, Chrome will open a small find box, usually at the top right corner of the browser. This is the search tool built right into Chrome, and it works instantly. Now, in that search box, type the word or phrase you're looking for. For example, you could type a keyword, a person's name, a specific number, or something like Google Chrome if you want to test it. The moment you type, Chrome will automatically highlight every matching result on the web page. You'll usually see the first match highlighted right away, and you'll also notice how many total matches there are on the page. If there are multiple results, you can move between them using the Enter key or the up and down arrows in the Find box. Press Enter to jump to the next match, or click the arrows to move forward and backward through each highlighted result. This makes it very easy to compare every occurrence of the text without losing your place. If you want to search for something else, just click inside the Find box and type a new word or phrase. Chrome will update the highlights instantly. You can also use this on most websites to quickly locate headings, links, repeated words, or important details buried deep in a page. This shortcut is especially useful when you're reading long articles, checking terms on a site, or looking for a specific section in a large block of text, and that's really all there is to it. Just open the web page, press Ctrl plus F, type your search term, and use Enter or the arrow keys to move through the results. It's one of the simplest Chrome tricks, but it can save you a huge amount of time every day. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.